Tesla. What's happening with Tesla? The stock prices dropped dramatically. It was over 1,000 not too long ago. Will it skyrocket back up again? Or will it plateau more? You'll find that out and more here at Barry Chow. Welcome to the video. In today's video, we'll talk about Tesla stock, look at a little bit of the history, what's happening, where's the growth going to come from the future for this company to continue to skyrocket, look at the stock analysis of the company, what's happening with the revenue, net profit, and all that shares outstanding, look a little bit at the management team, and then my final analysis here on Tesla. Well, let's get to it. Tesla. What is the company? Well, obviously known big time for its automotive industry, for all its cars, the Model Y, or the Cybertruck. Is it ever going to come out? Or is it just a bit of pie in the sky stuff? Well, we'll find out. Tesla, obviously Elon Musk. Everyone knows Elon Musk. He is probably the most famous person in the shares world, the tech world for sure. Elon Musk, he's up there. But Tesla, what else is it here for? Well, it's obviously about sustainable energy. They promote that big time. They obviously are a company that's also into Bitcoin, which not much people really know about, but they're definitely into Bitcoin and own a lot of Bitcoin within the Tesla range, which obviously means that Bitcoin you'll be able to buy with Tesla at some point, but when? Like they say they do, and then they pull out again. They say they do, and then they pull out again. But eventually you'll be able to buy with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin needs to become stabilized. And how long before we get stabilized Bitcoin? Will it be governments that makes this sector and the crypto sector start to go plateau like shares? But anyway, Tesla. Look at the car company. What do we do? Why has it dropped? Well, to be honest, it's nothing to do with their increases, because they're growing 310,000 units in the last quarter, which was a big increase of 69% from last year. So they're really ramping up materials as well. And obviously they've got a few new gigafactories that have opened up in the last couple of years, so they are able to increase the number of cars they are producing. And obviously at the moment their market, they're selling big time, but not quick enough to bring them out. People are waiting years to a couple of years before they even get their Tesla at their front door. That is the problem Tesla has got at the moment, is they still need to speed up their time deliveries of the vehicle, where a lot of other companies you can go buy the vehicle and you'll get it within a couple of days, but the Tesla you have to wait quite a bit. So that's one of the queries of Tesla. Are they profitable going into the future Tesla? That's something else we need to check out, and we're going to check that out right now as we have a look at Tesla. And before we look at that, obviously solar energy is a big thing for Tesla at the moment, putting them on your roof, and that's been a big sector for them of lately. So they're also really into their sustainable energy as Tesla. Well, Tesla's market cap is around 700 billion at the moment. They had been over $1 trillion before, so they've got a big way to go to bounce back there. The PE ratio is around 50, so they could really skyrocket there. But let's get into the financials, and that's why this company is really skyrocketed. Their revenue was 11 billion in 2017, but now it's skyrocketed to 62 billion. They are flying up there. Now, net income, this is where Tesla was struggling for a while, and almost 2 billion loss in 2017. They halved that to about 1 billion in 2018. Then 2 years later, they were profitable of 721 million, and now today are 8.4 billion in revenue looking at 2022. Let's look at their cash flow. 2018 of 3.6 billion. By 2020 they were at 19 billion. Current assets of 2018 was 8.3 billion, and right now they're closing in on 30 billion. And when you look at the total assets, it's 66 billion. When you look at total liability, it went from 10 billion now to 21 billion, but easily they have more assets than current liabilities, and their total liabilities at the moment are 30 billion, so they can easily cover that in terms of current assets. But in terms of cash in, it'll take them 2 years to pay it off, so that's not too bad, but not brilliant, but not too bad. Now, shares outstanding with Tesla is just one thing that hasn't been the greatest either for them. In 2019 they were at 933 million, and right now they are close to 1 million in terms of their shares. So they've just gone up, increasing of last couple of years, not hugely. With this share price being up so high, it hasn't been bad for them to use the money elsewhere to make more investments, so it's actually not been a bad thing while the stock is up to do that, sell off some more shares. But what does the future hold for Tesla? What should you do? Should you buy? Well, it's one of those ones, you damned you do, damned you don't. It already really did skyrocket big time. This is very much a momentum stock, so definitely something you could look at investing into. Looking at the management team, obviously Elon Musk has been there for a long time. Not an original owner, but a long time been there, and he knows his stuff, and he definitely works his social media media very well, which always keeps Tesla in the spotlight. Their vehicles are very nice. There's little complaints about that. Can autonomous driving, that's where the money is for them. Can they get autonomous driving going in the next few years and really skyrocket with people just sitting in their cars doing all their work while they drive for hours and hours and don't have to worry about steering the vehicle? That's obviously something big for the future of Tesla. But anyway, that's me about Tesla in 2022. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you get more of these videos, and smash the like button because you are all lovely. Thank you very much for watching this Tesla video. All these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Take care out.